Our top to bottom workflow is complete. We've imported the workpieces, we've added a base plate, we've added supports, we've subtracted our workpiece geometry from the supports, we've added a clamp, we've added text labels to our fixture, and we've added holes and cutaways. So now it's time to export our fixture for 3D printing. We have options to choose from. In this situation, all the support elements can be 3D printed, so they can be exported as a separate file per support element. This also includes the base for the clamp. These will be exported as an STL file, which is a common format for 3D printing and integrates easily with a 3D printing workflow. We also have the option to export auto-generated drawings, and these are exported as a PDF. These can show the dimensions of the fixture and how it can be assembled for people who may not be familiar with it. The next option is to export the entire assembly as an STL file. This can be useful for things such as CMM operations. You can also export the fixture as a step file. This is a common interchange format for CAD software, so if you need to make any adjustments, this is much easier to work with than an STL file. All of the selected options will be added to a zip archive, which is what we download. We can name this anything we like. Let's just leave the default name for now and click download. The download can take a few minutes. Everything is downloading at the highest possible resolution for the best quality. When the archive is ready, all we need to do is choose where to save it. And there we are. Let's see what we have. Here we have all our files in STL and step format. And if we do a quick preview, we can see that all the details are there. Besides this, we have an export of the full fixture and workpieces and clamps, which can be really useful for measuring operations. And finally, we have this auto-generated PDF working drawing, which includes projections of the fixture, as well as all the hole positions and measurements. This can be handed down to stakeholders, such as the production team, so they know how to assemble the fixture when it's ready. Now all we need to do is 3D print our fixture and deploy it to wherever it's needed. This concludes our tutorial series on how to use FixtureMate. This is just a small sample of what FixtureMate can do. You can discover lots more of its capabilities by contacting one of our experts. If you have any questions, check out our website, www.trinkle.com.